Alrighty, let's do some math. Okay, so our first problem has two parts. A, we're going to find f of x plus h for f of x equals 3x plus 1. So, that being said, we're going to take f times x plus h equals our 3 times x plus h plus 1. Okay, so from there we just solve and then we get f of x plus h equals 3x plus 3h plus 1. Okay, then we're going to use this here. Now we're going to find f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So to do that, we're going to plug in our equation, 3x plus 3h plus 1, and then we're going to do minus our f of x, which is 3x plus 1, all over h. So now we just do some simple factoring here, or canceling out. So the 3x and minus 3x are, nope, this would make it a negative, so negative 1, positive 1. Then we get 3h over h. So, obviously, our h's are going to cancel, and we have 3. So that is our first problem. Next problem is our expand and simplify 5x times x squared over 15 minus 5 over x. So this we're going to think of as 5x over 1. So we're going to multiply these. So we have 5x cubed over 15. I'm going to write that x cubed a little better. Minus 25x over x. Now, just the basic rule of simplifying here. So this is 1. 5 goes into 15 3 times. X's cancel out, giving you x cubed over 3 minus 25. Easy enough. Now, for number 3, given h of x with all this here, we're going to state the domain. So, to find the domain, you want to set this equal to 0. So x minus 1 equals 0. So that gives you, oh, I lied. So your domain here is all real numbers. I'm jumping the gun here. So all real numbers. Now, to graph and label the intercepts is where we're going to set this equal to 0. So we have x minus 1 equals 0. So this intercept is going to be x equals 1, 0 for our first intercept. And then coming over, we have x plus 2 equals 0. So x is going to equal negative 2, 0. Now to graph that, we have 1, 0 here, and I'll label our points, of course, and then negative 2, 0 here. And there you are.